About you tonight. This was really a dream, and probably for the past 6 months we've been planning this moment right here. And it's been my favorite moment that I've been holding back so as to not spoil the surprise. And I was really excited because this is really the very first place. Well, maybe it was the second place. I think Bottom Line was the first place. But this was really the first place that I was introduced to anybody ever. And I walked out on this exact tiny little stage, and I had on a cream leather suit. And I had on like a really big floppy hat. And my pants were too low, and the whole time I was trying to pull them up. And it was unbelievable. And you know, so to be here right now, celebrating the 10th anniversary of that album is like a dream. Special nights of my life, and I consider this one of the most special nights of our life as family together. So you know, I grew up in New York City, right? Who else is from New York City? Who's not from New York City? I love love it. We're all one family, you know? So, it's incredible. France is in the building? Beautiful. Croatia's in the building.
Arkansas is in the building!
Well, you know, I grew up in New York, and right now it's summer in the city, and I love New York summers. It's my favorite time of year. I don't care how hot it gets. To me, I don't care. Bring on the heat. I love summer nights in New York City. There's no place in the world like it. And, you know, growing up in New York City, I heard a lot of music all the time. I would play on the streets. We would open up those fire hydrants and make our little sprinklers. My New Yorkers know what we're talking about. And music would come from every corner, you know.